Hello, everybody. This is Aida, your pharmacist. Today, we will talk about minoxidil, one of the best known and famous, and one of the oldest topical medications that used for hair growth. And what is minoxidil? Actually, minoxidil originally made for hypertension, and it decrease and have a vasodilator effect on our veins and make it bigger, actually, the veins, when we use it. But as a side effect, later on, scientists understand that it can increase the size of the veins, and by the way, it do the same thing in scalp, actually. And when the blood goes through a scalp more than normal, it can cause hair growth, and increase the follicles nutritions, which they start baby hairs to grow. By time, at least you have to use it for 6 months to see the real results somehow, and you see uh, baby hairs start growing. Now I will explain a little more in a simple way about the pharmacology of it. I won't go through weird terminology about it. Only know that it will activate potassium channels, which go through the anagen phase of the hair, and the follicles start to growth again because of this flowing blood more than normal. And minoxidil will never meant for the hair growth. It was a side effect for this hypertension medication. And by the way, don't forget to talk to your cardiologist, because this maybe some people they take some hypertension medications or diuretics. You have to consult with your doctor, especially your cardiologist, or you can talk to your dermatologist, but my idea is talk to your cardiologist before starting using these medications. And by the way, some people, for increasing the speed of getting the results, um, they get some oral minoxidils. If you ask me as a pharmacist, my idea is don't take the oral minoxidil, because it can make dizziness in you, because it will decrease your blood pressure, and actually it has other side effects that it can cause lots of hair in most of body parts that you don't want, actually. But the topical one, it will apply exactly the place that you want. For example, your scalp, your mustache, your eyebrows, wherever you want, you will apply it directly to the place. But you have to be careful to not apply it outside of the that place, because it will increase the hair growth in everywhere. For example, some people, they apply this area and it comes down, and the drops of it, and these areas increase the hair growth. That in woman, most of the woman doesn't like such a hair. In man, it doesn't affect. They can shave it, or they can do anything they want, but you have to be careful to drops to not come down on your head. And by the way, we will go through how it works, how to use it, actually. The best way to use it is use it twice a day, and use it on a clean scalp. And actually, you can use microneedlings and uh, these rollers that you can go through your head, but apply it not in the same day with minoxidil. apply the microneedle roller on your head, and apply minoxidil 1 day after that. You know, by 1 day in between. Actually, it's better to get best results. And about minoxidil, there is one truth that you have to think about it before you start using it, is consistency is key. If you leave it in the middle, you will lose the results that you want to get. And it's somehow like using toothbrush or toothpaste. You do it every night. That's why you get result that you have healthy and beautiful teeth. And minoxidil is somehow that way for especially people with androgenic hair loss. These people, they will lose that hair, but if they use it consistently, they will get good results, because this is not a problem to get solved. Then if you want to get the result, at least you have to use it for 6 months, and after you leaving it for a while, you will see the results, and again you have to start it again if you want your hair growth to be the same way. When you use your microneedling, be careful to clean it before and after using it. Before using, you have to clean it. Maybe there is some, dust on it, which will can cause irritation on your scalp. After it, because sometimes it bleeds, and blood will get some microbes around your needles. That's why best way for using it is to clean it with alcohol and other disinfectants before using, and wash your scalp the day that you want to use it. There's other medications that you can make a combination with it. One of them is retinoid. That these retinoids plus minoxidil can give you better results, because of the best penetration you will get for minoxidil when you use it with retinoid. And the other option is aspirin. You can get aspirin from pharmacies, and scratch it and mix it in water, with clean water, and apply it in the same day as minoxidil. And the other options were finasteride and dutasteride. You can use these with minoxidil and get better results from your minoxidil. Actually, there is different shapes and forms of minoxidil. Minoxidil has different forms of medication. About the topical ones, we have liquid one and foam one. Both are useful, and but I think the foam is easier to use. But it depends which one is easier for you. But both is the best. And you can use low level light therapy with minoxidil, and it can help about the penetration of minoxidil on your scalp. And be sure that your scalp is healthy before you use minoxidil. If you have eczema, if you have any scars on it, if you have sunburn, don't try minoxidil on scalp with scars. Be careful about this idea. And one of the things that I will tell to you is, at least you have to use it for 3 to 6 months to see results. You have to have patience to see the results, and consistency. These two options are really important in usage of minoxidil. Now I will go through the contraindications and warnings about minoxidil. If you have any allergy to minoxidil, you have to take care of it. When you use it and you see it start itching and bothering a lot, you have to cut it immediately. The second one is about heart disease. If you have any heart disease and related to hypertension, if you had infarctus or heart attack, you have to consult your cardiovascular doctor, cardiologist, before starting using minoxidil. In pregnancy and breastfeeding, it is not recommended due to lack of safety data. It's not there. There's not proven data about safety of this medication during breastfeeding and pregnancy. That's why you have to avoid it. And about the children under 18 should not use this medication. This is for adults. And as a result, you have to be careful before you use it. I know it's out of counter medication. You can use it without any permission from any doctor, but it's better for yourself to consult before you start using. At least you can talk to your pharmacist from the pharmacy that you are going to get these medications, or consult any doctor or cardiologist that you know before starting this medication, minoxidil or any other combination of minoxidil. Another option that you can add to your minoxidil therapy that you start for growth of your hair is ketoconazole shampoo, anti-dandruff shampoos actually. This these ones with ketoconazole, it's better to get it from pharmacy. How it helps, because it decreases the inflammation of your scalp, and if you have any fungi that which cause hair loss, it helps to decrease that one. And you can use it in the same time with minoxidil. And another thing that I want to mention is men can use in their mustache to have a really good mustache with thick and and with good shape. They can use for their mustache, and even women for their eyebrows they can use it, but better to use it and apply it exactly the place that you want to hair to grow. Don't let it to drop to other around of it. For this I can give you one tip. This one, this ones you can use it for your eyebrow. Put this one into the liquid of minoxidil and apply it exactly on your eyebrows or on your mustache, because this one's it massages and help it to apply exactly to the place. And you don't go, if you put all the drops exactly on it, it will drop for sure. And that's why easiest way is to apply it by this one, this friend. If you found this helpful, please like, comment your experience, and subscribe, and have share it with your friends that they need these hacks for their hair growth. Happy to see you. Have a good day.